Once a load is booked and the truck is rolling, your job isn't over. Your job shifts from finding the load to managing it. And the way you manage it, through smart, proactive communication, is what separates professional dispatchers from amateurs. Brokers don't want surprises. Shippers don't want surprises. Receivers don't want surprises. Your job is to make sure no one in the chain is ever surprised by something you knew about and didn't communicate. That starts with a pre-pickup confirmation call or message to the broker. Before your carrier arrives at the shipper, send a quick note. Driver is en route to pick up at shipper name, address, ETA, time. Confirming pickup appointment for time. Driver name, name, truck/trailer number, number. That's it. 60 seconds. It shows the broker you're organized and on top of the load. Then your carrier picks up the load. Once they're loaded and rolling, send pickup confirmation to the broker. Load picked up at time. BOL number XXXX. Driver is loaded and rolling. Current ETA to delivery is date, time. Again, simple and direct. This tells the broker the clock is running and everything went smoothly at the shipper. Mid-transit check-in, your check call, typically happens once per day on longer hauls or when you're approaching the delivery window on shorter runs. Quick update on load, reference number. Truck is currently in city state, on pace for the date delivery appointment. No issues. If there are issues, a breakdown, a weather delay, a driver running late, this is when you communicate proactively, not reactively. Call the broker before they call you. Heads up, we hit a construction delay outside of Nashville. We're looking at a 2-hour push to the delivery window. I wanted to get ahead of it. Brokers respect that. They don't respect silence followed by a delivery problem they learned about after the consignee called them. Delivery confirmation is your final piece of follow-up communication. Load, reference number. Delivered at location, at time. POD is signed. I'll have the document sent over within X hours. Then, make sure you actually send that POD. A few things to remember about timing. Don't check in so frequently that you're becoming noise. 1 call per transit day plus pickup and delivery confirmations is exactly right for most loads. If a broker wants more frequent updates, they'll tell you, and that's fine. But unsolicited check-ins every 3 hours come across as anxious, not professional. On the other hand, don't go silent. A dispatcher who books a load and then doesn't communicate until the delivery confirmation, with nothing in between for a 2-day haul, is leaving the broker wondering if everything is okay. Silence creates anxiety. Proactive updates create trust. Save these templates. Customize them slightly for each situation, but having a template means you can send a professional update in under a minute rather than thinking about what to write each time. Efficiency in communication compounds over the course of a week. One more thing, your relationship with the broker lives or dies in how you communicate during a load. If something goes wrong, and at some point it will, because trucking is a dynamic business, how you handle it in real time determines whether that broker works with you again. A dispatcher who says, "Here's what happened and here's what I'm doing about it," gets a second chance. A dispatcher who disappears when things go sideways does not. In Lesson 4, we talk about difficult brokers. What to do when they go silent. Try to renegotiate after pickup or create problems you didn't sign up for.